Hey folks, good morning and welcome to my channel. And I'm again with another video of Vlookup. Here I'm going to do one more thing which I haven't done in my previous videos. What I'll be doing, I'll just revise whatever we learned, and then I'll give you a homework worksheet also. In my video, I'll share the link so that you can practice on that as well, and let me know if you are able to do that or if you are not. All right, let's continue. So in today we will be specifically checking the copy functionality, like how to copy VLOOKUP formula. Okay, and now as we saw, let's say in the first video that I want to search value from within the sheet. So here is my data, like student names and their grades, their scores there for each subject. And now I want that data over here for these students only. Now let's try to search it quickly. So equals to VLOOKUP and then bracket and then gym. So gym is in a3, so I'll just put a3, or I can just select over here. All right, I've already done that, so let it be. I'll just select it for you, and then comma, table array would be this. All right, so table array is all right, good. Now table array is also there with us. um and now comma, and then column index number. So now from which out of these 1 2 3 4 5 column, from where we need to get the value. So we need to search for math, and math is the first and second column here, so I'll just put 2 over here. All right, similarly if I want to search for English, then I will have to search for enter 3 over here. Okay, let me know if you have any confusion in this. And comma, okay, alrighty, and then what we want. So we want exact match, so I can put I can click false over here, or I can just simply put 0 and then bracket over, and done. So Jim got 87. All right, let's search for Jim and 87. So Jim is here, and for math he got 87. So you see, for math is the second column. So we went to Jim, and Jim is having 87, so it looks fine. Now how do I copy? So each and every time if I need to type the formula, then it's useless. So rather than, I'll be just simply going to Rocky and then copy this value and then pasting it, correct? No, but so that's the beauty of the formula. Right now I'll be just dragging and drop, uh, but here it worked for the column. All right, but the problem many of us will be facing is the table array. All right, so table array is getting selected differently, like it is G2 to K33 in our case. So G2 here, and then K33 is here. Okay, you see over here, so K33. But if I go to second cell, then it changes to G3 to K34. So G3 here to K34, wherein I do not have any data inserted in, but still the table array is getting selected. So each cell, if I'm going down, so this table is also getting down. But let's say if I want to search for student one's data, um, student one data in this one, so I'll get 75, that's fine. But if I want to search Rocky's data over here, I'll get any error though. So why I have got any error over here? So NA, because my table, it starting from I guess this cell. All right, student 2, because if I see the formula, it starts from G4, so G4 is here, so it excludes this value. Now how to fix that? Okay, we want to copy the formula, but we want to make sure that the table array is not getting messed up, right? It should not be getting downward whenever we are copying. So we'll have to select the table array. Okay, and we'll have to use F4 over here, and again the end cell, and then F4 over there as well. So if you press F4, or if you just enter dollar before before the column name and the column number separately, that's also fine. So manually as well as the F4, this will be helpful. Right now if I drag and drop, so it's kind of we are locking up the table. And now if I try to search Rocky in anywhere, right, so it will give me the results now. Okay, without messing up the table, because we have kind of locked the table. Alrighty, so that's helping. All right, we are searching, we were able to do it. But now if we want to copy this formula, and if I try to search results for English, will it be working? The answer is no. Why? Because for this we have searched A3, which is here, but the moment we shifted to the right hand side, the formula also got changed, and it selected the, so this, in this formula we selected the next, and in this formula it is selecting this next, so it is B3. That's how it B3 has collected. Now what I'll have to do is I'll have to change um, this as well. Like I do not want to change A3. Okay, so I can put my cursor over here. I'll just put undo. All right, just put my cursor over here, and I want to fix my column only, right, not the uh, entire. So I'll just put it over here, and I'll just put F4 twice, maybe one more. Okay, so maybe $a, so I would just want to fix the column over here. Okay, and then I just enter, and then I'll copy this and I'll paste it. So I got that English for A3, and then it's searching in second column, but English is in third column. So I'll have to change here 2 3, right? So now 89, and I can go and I can find if Jim is having 89 for English. Okay, so you see for Jim it's showing perfectly fine over here. Now I have my formula, and I can just drag and drop, and I'll get my values, because I have just I have already fixed my table, and I have fixed my column as well. So if I go to the next one, then you can see that a column is fixed. All right, and so everywhere you find a column is fixed, but the moment we are going to the next rows, it's selecting that different. So that's how we can fix it. And now let's search for geography. So I'll just copy from here, I'll paste it, and here what do we need to do, because we are searching geography, and geography is in 1 2 3 4th column. So I'll have to replace this 3 with 4. I hope you're getting this sense why we are selecting different for this. Then I'll have to just double click and then drag and drop, or you can just select and then use Control D is shortcut for downloading, the duplicating the upper values. So I'll just Control D, and formula is here. Alrighty, you can compare and let me know if it's working for you for physics. And um, all right, if you have any questions, do let me know. Have a wonderful day. Bye.